Hello, well, it's Sharon. Today's video, I'm back with a Dollarama haul. It's not a large haul, but I got a lot of items that I needed. I haven't been buying a lot at the Dollarama. I've just been going, once or twice a month and then just collecting things to share them with you all. So, basically, I have a couple items for homeschool, and then the rest are like home organization items because I am packing and organizing things at the moment. But I'll start with this fun item. This is $2. This is by Montoy, and this is the Growing Creatures, and this is the frog one. So these are for ages 4 and up. This frog is super adorable, and these are always great for, observing and seeing the changes of these once you add them into water. You can also make estimates on how large you think it's going to turn out. But yeah, Nate really enjoys these, and because we're going to be studying frogs and turtles, this little adorable frog is perfect. Up next is this ruler for $1.25. It's a 12-inch ruler, and it's black with the gold sparkles. Nate wanted this. I let him get it. We're going to be talking about tartan patterns in the month of April, so I got him a book from the library, and he could use this with his pencil crayons and create his own tartan patterns. But yeah, really cool ruler. But the one thing I will say is that it is kind of hard to read the measurements on it because it's black on black. It would have been better if it was like a white color, but we're just going to be using it for the straight edge. Now this next item, Nate wanted it. It was $4. It comes in different colors. Now I just was looking at sponges for general sponges, but then he was talking to me about how we're going to be talking about flowers, and that he saw this and he thought it'd be perfect for when he's doing the dishes, that he could use this flower little scrub brush. So I thought that was a good idea as a Montessori activity. Plus you can use this to clean other items. So it's a really nice purple colored flower scrubber. And then it also has a scrub sponge, and it comes in this little pot holder, so you can hang that up. And it is suction cups. You can suction cup it to your sink. But yeah, these are the other colors that it comes in. So he wanted this nice purple one. I did get a package of razors. Now, razors went up to $4.75 at the Dollarama. Now, I do like these Gillette Simply Venus ones. You get 9 in the package, and they are the double-bladed ones. If I had it my way, like in the winter, I don't shave at all. But now that the warmer weather's getting here, it's time to, I guess, do that. But so yeah, I just grabbed another package of these. These are ones that seem to work well for me. I was super happy to get 2 of these. These are $4 each, 5 plastical, and these are the beverage storage racks. And there's all your sizing information. They are BPA free. They're not good for the dishwasher or the microwave, but it says to hand wash them, and they're freezer safe. But it holds up to 12 regular size pop cans. You could also use these for like soup cans as well. So I got them to, just save some space in the cupboard. Also, to save some space, is this $4 little Rama Designs rack. So this is one you could add to a shelf in your cupboard, and then gives you a little bit, separation plus some organizing. Now these used to come in white, and I do have a white one, but this grayish silver one seems a lot more firmer. But yeah, so I grabbed a new one for some more storage solutions. There is the sizing information. But yeah, this grayer one, like I said, seems a lot more stronger than the white one I had previously. Up next is this $5 plastical storage box. There's the sizing information. They are stackable, and it's 16 liters. So I only found one in my store. I would like to get more, but it does have the nice snap closure with this handle. And like I said, just organizing and putting things away. I kind of want to, I have a lot of themed category bins for like different subjects and fine motor and sensory items, but I would like to start doing theme bins for all the holidays, because we do a lot of holidays since we talk about world geography. So I would like to get a couple more of these for that kind of purposes. I also have another plastic container, but I also have these hangers inside it right now. I got 4 packages of these, and these are $2.50, and they are the 10 metal hangers. I got the kind of silver gray color again, and these save a lot of space in my closet. I don't mind the metal hangers because most of my clothes are just like basic t-shirts. But yeah, I got 4 packs of these because my store hasn't had the metal hangers in a while. And then the last container just has a lid like this, and I just wanted this for our book cupboard, and this one was $5. It's a 20 liter. It is stackable as well. and there is all your sizing information. So I hope you all enjoyed this Dollarama haul, and I will talk to you in my next video.
Take care and bye for now.